Oh yeah, welcome back to Panel Perfect. It's been a while since I've done a video, so apologies, we've been flat out. However, today I've got something a little bit different, a little bit more interesting, and a tale of what not to do. So I'll show you what's going on and hopefully how we can fix it. I'll just flip the camera. So this is a chimney, despite the badging. This chap's gone for the Mercedes G-Wagon replica look. Now, as you can see, he's got a dent in the back here. Unfortunately, he thought it'd be a good idea to try and poke it out himself, and in doing so has made a right mess of the damage. This is why I say to people, never attempt to fix it yourself, because ultimately I could have done a much better job of fixing this if he hadn't been poking all over. There was a couple of, there's still a shimmer here up here from random pushes in completely the wrong area. You can see there's just ripples and damage everywhere. He has cracked the paint as well. You see there's a little spot just here with the cracked paint. Which is very likely, depending on what you're pushing it with. So just a tale of woe, really. I'm not saying it to scare anybody, but this is the result of thinking, how hard can it be? Turns out it's pretty hard. So yes, I'm going to try and tidy this up now. I have said to him it will be a best possible repair, because he's done some damage that I can't reverse. The metal's slightly stretched and overstretched in places, so it's always going to be a best possible repair and a recovery job. So let's see what we can do, and I'll report back at the end. Okay, so we're back with the chimney. We've got a little bit of messing around still to do. You can see there's a bit of texture at the top here where it's taken the main hit. Unfortunately, that little bit of paint that had cracked has pinged off during the polishing process, which is very frustrating, but it needed to be touched up anyway, because obviously the paint was broken. But as I said to him, I've probably got a bit of fine tuning to do in there. I'll mess around with that a tiny bit more, but essentially the overall look is massively improved. As I mentioned, I wasn't expecting perfect, but it's pretty nice. It's definitely a vast improvement. I would have liked to have seen it before it's been messed around with, but can't do much about that now. But in terms of the repair, I'm pleased with it. Overall, vast improvement as promised. So I'm going to put the car back together in a minute. I'll do a bit of fine tuning and then put the car back together. With this one, the access was kind of okay-ish, a bit awkward. I had to remove some of the side panel, but managed to get to it through here. Being careful, of course, of the seatbelt mounting, but all good. So, thanks for watching. So yeah, thank you very much for watching to the end of the video. As you can see, the chimney is all back together again now. It's all ready to go to the customer. I've just told them about the minor paint damage. He's absolutely fine with that. He knew there was a problem to begin with. So if you have any dents, ideally ones that haven't been played around with, and you would like a proper repair done, please give us a call. Panel Perfect, 07787 194 511, or visit Panel Perfect P.D.R.co.uk, and we are in the Cheltenham area, and we have our workshop that I'm working out of today because the weather's horrific outside. So obviously working through the winter months, it's a real benefit as well. So any questions, by all means, give us a call. Happy to help out in any way we can.